Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nails by Riss here, and I'm going to be showing you how we started to remodel my nail room. So it started off as this ugly yellow color, and then we went in and painted it with a icy gray color. This is how it looked after we covered up all the yellow, but we realized we wanted something more. Overall, I think my friends and I did a really good job at creating this triangle patterned wall, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel.